you guys? It's Badger here, and today we are going to have a look at this little piece here. It is an little alarm clock, and as you see, it has some LED lighting as well. It also shows the sun or moon, so you know it's day or night time. And yeah, all in all, that is pretty straightforward and nice to see here. Um, And otherwise, as you see, there's a bunch of buttons in the back. You can pretty much put a lot of different modes on. You can use a nightlight, you have a timer and stuff. There's different lightings. And yeah, all in all, that is a really decent one. I think it's kind of cute too, by the way. How that looks and how it's presented here. And with all the different lighting, I think everyone can figure out how they prefer theirs and what they like. So you can, yeah, come up with a bunch of different ideas there as well. And yeah, I mean, that's basically what you can expect here. So I think we can call this a day, and I will see you around to the next one. So take care, you guys. My name is Badger, and bye bye.